Now we're going to cover factor tables. There's two basic rules we follow when we make factor tables. First rule, you only divide by prime numbers. And the second rule is you divide by prime numbers until the original number gets down to 1. Once again, as a review of prime numbers only have factors of 1 in itself. 2 is prime because its only factors are 1 and 2. 6 would not be a prime number because 1 and 6 are not its only factors. It has other factors. So with that in mind, let's go ahead and start making some tables. Now we're going to put together two different factor tables for 90. So to start off the factor table, you just put the number inside of an L box, and now we think of a prime number that goes into it. We'll do 3. 90 divided by 3 is 30. So notice how I put the prime number on the outside, and when I divide it, I put the answer underneath. So now I need a prime number that goes into 30. We'll just say 5. 5 goes into 30 6 times. Now I need a prime number that goes into 6. We'll just do 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times. Now I need a prime number for 3 that goes into it. I'll just use 3. And 3 goes into 3 1 time. Now that we have it all the way down to 1, the factor table is now done. Now let's make a second factor table for 90. So once again, we'll take the number, make an L around it. Now we got to think of a prime number that goes into 90. We can use 2. 2 goes into 90 45 times. Now we need a prime number that goes into 45. We can use 5. 5 goes into 45 9 times. Now we need a prime number that goes into 9. We can use 3. 9 divided by 3 is 3. And now we need a prime number that goes into 3. We can just use 3. 3 goes into 3 1 time. Now that we're all the way down to 1, the factor table is once again done. Just keep in mind that for certain numbers, there can be many ways to make a factor table, and you'll know you did your factor table correctly because all the prime numbers on the left side of the table will multiply to equal the number. So in our case, 2 times 3 times 3 times 5 gives you 90, so we can tell that both factor tables are correct. Now that we're done, you can do other things with your time, like stay healthy, because let's keep it real. Cooties is running rampant out there. Like and share. Math on the fly. Laters.